Let's begin with the structures of our HTML document. In order to start with our HTML, first we need to create our HTML file. So how can we do it? Let's have a look at our text editor. First, launch your text editor. Then go to the file and first create a new untitled document by clicking New. And then save this file. Save this in your project folder as index.html. Our file extension type is .html because our document is an HTML type document. And while you are creating this file, remember to name it as index.html, not any other name, because by standard rules, a browser first looks for an index.html type of file to launch the site. That's why it's very important to name the first page or first main mother document of your site as index.html. And now you have a file ready for your HTML document. Now if you notice, my text editor right now is blank. In order to start writing our HTML code for the page visibility, we first need to create a layout, a format of HTML document file. There are two ways you can achieve it. One is doing it manually and the other one is by auto-generating it. If you have noticed, initially we have installed two extensions for our brackets code editor, right? One was Emmet and the other one was Beautify. What Emmet does is it helps with this workflow by auto-generating certain formats as we ask for them. So if you haven't yet installed this Emmet's extension, please go ahead and do it first. Now in order to auto-generate it, what we are going to do is we are going to type HTML:5 and press tab, and this will automatically generate the layout for you. Here the layout, there are two main components. The first component here is an instruction or a declaration, I would say, where it's written that this document type is basically an HTML type. And the second part is a tag. It has an opening tag and a closing tag, which is declaring that this HTML is a language type of English. And inside that there are two sub tags, which is a head tag and a body tag. What head tag does is, head tag basically stores the critical information for your page. Whatever we are writing in the head tag is not visible anywhere in the browser or the browser page except this one component that is named with the tag title. Before going to the title tag, let's talk about this one, which is a meta tag. And this meta tag is basically specifying a special property that is car search UTF-8. When we launch this page index.html in the browser, our browser will be actually translating our HTML code to its browser page, right? So for this translation, they have a unique set of characters set declared. There are many types of UTFs. UTF-8 is the version we'll be using for our HTML sites. Now let's come back to the title document. In order to understand what's in the title, first we need to see how it looks in our browser. Let's launch our index.html in a browser. There you see my page is completely blank white, and in the tab we have written document as it's written here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna change it to demo website. And now if I refresh it, you can see it. It's written demo website. So this is how we are going to create the basic structure of our HTML file. And whatever we want to see on our browser page must be written inside this body tag. So now you know how to create the structure of an HTML file. Join me in the next video where we will learn about the HTML elements, tags and attributes.